shooter Fatso Musida sends a strong warning to Mzansi. Fake social media accounts are giving Miss SA shooter Fatso Musida a massive headache. The media personality that will be representing South Africa at the Miss World pageant has revealed that someone is pretending to be her on Twitter. In a short and brief tweet, shooter Fatso has asked people to help her report the account in bid to get it suspended. "Hey my loves, please report this account," quote, she wrote. Shortly after that, people flooded shooter Fatso's comment section and said they can't wait for the account to be suspended. This is because previously the account pretended to be Zosibini Tunzi, then changed their handle to Simpson Jima and even use a low actress Ithukum Thambua who plays Nonaka. "Finally, thank God. Let's get rid of it," quote, Sadie Torquato said. Fake social media accounts have been on the rise with people such as DJ Somebody, Nonsabuthilezi, Guga Morani and Musum Seleku being used for scams. Yeah.